Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile setting, and today's video title is guys how to hide and show battery percentage on status bar. Friends, you want to hide and show battery percentage on status bar. So friends, now let's see how to hide and show battery percentage one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video, first of all, go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, in your Redmi mobile, how to use status bar setting, how to hide and show battery percentage on status bar. First of all friends, we will turn on phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Redmi mobile. So friends, on your Redmi mobile, if you tap on your phone battery setting, so friends, you cannot use battery percentage hide setting. If you tap your battery setting, so friends, you can see battery percentage setting is not here. Battery saver mode and ultra battery saver mode you can use it, but friends, you can see battery percentage setting is not here. So then how to hide battery percentage and how to show battery percentage on status bar. We will tap here notification setting, lock screen notification. Friends, you can see footing notification, app notification you can on and you can off. Control center style, you want to change old version and you want to use new version, so you can set and you can change. Last option is status bar. Friends, tap here show notification icon. Friends, you want to show any notification icon on your screen, so if you tap here, so you can on your show notification icon setting, show notification connection speed setting. Friends, when you will on your mobile data, when you will on your Wi-Fi, so you can check your network speed on your status bar. Battery indicator setting. Friends, if you tap here, first option, so friends, you can see battery percentage will hide in your Redmi mobile. Friends, you can see battery percentage I can check on my status bar. 68% I have. Friends, if I tap here first option, friends, you can see battery percentage will hide and I cannot check how much battery percent I have in Redmi mobiles. Friends, you can see battery percentage will not show. And you want to show battery percentage, so friends, you can show battery percentage inside the indicator. You want to show battery percentage outside the indicator, so friends, you can show battery percentage outside the indicator. There are three options. First, hide option. Second, inside the battery indicator. Third, outside the battery indicator. You want to show battery percentage, so you can show, and you want to hide, so friends, you can hide battery percentage. And if you hide, you want to check how much battery percent you have in your Redmi mobile, open your phone battery setting and you can check here 68%. Bye.